How to make hanging indent in Google Docs. If you want to make a hanging indent in Google Docs, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Now, there is a first line indent, which I'm sure and you know that, but you might want to use the hanging indent. To do that is also quite simple because you simply have to open up your spreadsheet on Google Docs, which is docs.google.com. Once you're here, you want to simply select and highlight the text on which you want to add a hanging indent to. Once you've done that, on the top left, you can simply find these options called insert and format and so on. So actually we have to go to the format option, and from there you'll find an option that says align and indent, and right there on the right hand side you can see the option called indentation options. Now here you can see the value on the left and on the right. Here you can see special indent, which I have to simply select and select hanging indent. So we have two options, first line or hanging. I will select hanging, then I can simply select a value, then I can click the apply button and it will create a hanging indent for me. So this way I should be able to create a hanging indent on Google Docs. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.